Hello, beautiful family. Good day and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Chi Organic Skincare. You guys are highly welcome to my old subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for always being there for the channel. You guys are so wonderful. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. So, guys, today I want to give you this recipe on how you can make a very strong whitening molato soup or a bleaching molato soup. So this soap is going to bleach your skin. It's going to whiten you to the core. Do not joke with this soap. If you want to get whitened, you need to make this soap and use. So guys, let's go straight into the video. So the first one I have here on my ebook is your mulatto based soap. You know the soaps that comes in different colors. So you're using the orange one. Just get a rubber of it. You have the ones in small rubbers, which is of 250 or of 300 or grams. Yeah, you can get those ones, or you get one on 4 liters. Just make sure to get a base of the mulatto base soap, the orange color. You need one bucket. Then you need your ozone pink soap. You need four. Your tujonjun soap, you need 3 pieces. Tujonjun is an anti-reaction soap, so you need 3 pieces. Then your white now soap, you need five. Glutathione compressed soap, you need five. Larissa soap, you need five. Nano soap, you need five. Kojic deep powder, you need 200 grams. Gigabyte powder, 200 grams. Your lactic acid and exfoliant, you need just 50 ml. Your glycolic acid, also an exfoliant, you need 50 ml. Your shower gel, please make sure your shower gel is orange color. Shower gel, just to soak the soap. Then your activator oil, you need 500 ml, or you go for 1000 ml, but make sure you add enough quantity, so that because it's the it's the main activator here in this mulatto soap. So you add the activator oil. Then your dope shampoo, you need three of your dope shampoo. So guys, how do you make this soap? In your bowl, grate in all soaps, add your powders, your exfoliant, and then you soak. And the next day, just put soak for 24 hours. The next day, you stick blend, and then you package. Your mulatto soap is ready. So this mulatto soap is super effective, super strong in whitening. It's going to whiten up your skin. And if you're looking out for
Hello
a good
guys, so these are yellow tone
soap
soap. These
activator
are the
or
mulatto
soap
soap,
booster,
is a
please,
whitening
we
soap.
sell in case
So
you
a
want to
client
patronize
requested
your
for
girl.
one
We do
dozen.
well to
So
patronize me
this
and
is
we
it.
also do wholesale deals in case you
You
want
see
us to
how it
produce for
is.
you
It
to sell.
contains
We wholesale
niacinamide.
this,
If
and
you're
our
having dark
processes are
spots, it will
super
help with
affordable.
that.
Thank you
Alright.
guys so much. Please
Thank
ignore
you so
any noise on the
much. Keep your
background. I'm
orders
with my son in
coming.
the shop.
Bye.
So guys, I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.